Politics erupted over the government's new directive to mobile phone manufacturers and importers to have cybersecurity app Sanchar Sathi pre-installed on every handset that is sold in India within 90 days. The opposition slammed the move, calling it shady and a snooping app. Now, Union Telecom Minister Scindia has clarified that the app can be deleted and that it is not mandatory, different from the Department of Telecom directive that had been issued, over which there was a big uproar, not just by the opposition, but also on social media. The Department of Telecommunications asked all mobile handset makers to pre-install the Sanchar Sathi app, which they said is mandatory. The app allows users to check their phone's validity, report cyber fraud and spam calls, track lost phones in real time and address other aspects of cyber security. However, opposition members called this a snooping app. Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said that the Sanchar app is the government snooping app, while Shiv Sena UBT MP Priyanka Chaturvedi hit out, calling it a big boss surveillance moment. And she also said the government has been forced to take a U-turn due to the outrage, and that the notification clearly mandates that the app cannot be deleted. Opposition slammed the move. Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju hit back, saying the opposition is just searching for issues and that they don't want to focus on any real issues, accusing them of trying to divert matters and picking up a non-issue. So a huge controversy over this app, and it was reported widely in newspapers as well. And it was, in fact, the notification that came from the Department of Telecommunications did say that this app is mandatory and cannot be deleted. But today, Jyotiraditya Scindia, they're clarifying that the app can indeed be removed, and it is only for the safety of consumers and for them to be able to track any sort of crimes, etc., and also not be hacked. That is the reason for this app, but by all means it can be deleted. So let's now take a look at this app that has created this huge controversy. Just what does the Sanchar Sathi app do that has been asked by the government to be installed in all handsets in the next 90 days? Well, users can check their phone validity on this app. They can also can check the IMEI details. That's that unique number that you have for your phones. It can be used to verify genuineness of phone and also report cyber fraud and spam calls. You can also report stolen mobile phones. Remember, this app has been around for a while, but it was never mandatory or preloaded on phones. So you can report your stolen mobile phones as well through this app, and it can also address cyber security concerns like hacking. Also, real-time alerts to track lost phones. That is another, utility of this app, another service that it provides to the consumers. It can also help cops recover your lost phones faster if this app is on the phone. Can use app to block lost devices. If you do lose your device, well, you can use this app to then block it so that whoever has stolen it cannot then, use the handset. And recovered 50,000 plus lost phones in October is what the government has said. That thanks to this app, that remember this app is already available, and that already because of this app, over 50,000 phones that were lost were actually recovered in just October alone. That 7 lakh lost phones, it's helped us in 7 lakh lost phone recoveries, and also helps trace over one device every minute. So that is what the government says. That is the utility of this app, and that is the sort of, what it provides to all consumers. Now, the government also shared some other statistics saying that 20 crore users exist of this portal, that 1.5 crore users have been registered on this app. It's an app that is already available. That 1.43 numbers have been disconnected on request. So it is not mandatory that if you opt for this app, you can disconnect any time that you want. That 42.15 lakh phones have been blocked using this app. That's phones that may have been lost or stolen. That 26.14 lakh stolen phones have also been traced. 26.14 lakh stolen phones traced thanks to this app. Also, that 7.23 lakh phones have been returned to their owners, and that 40 0.96 lakh preventive action has also been taken. So the government talking about the uses and the kind of services this app can provide you. 6.2 lakh fraud links have been blocked after people complained on the app, and over one lost phone is found every minute thanks to Sanchar Sathi app. That is what the government says. 50,000 lost phones were recovered just in October alone. So let's take a look at what all has been said over this entire issue, with the opposition claiming that this is Big Brother, it's a snooping app, also claiming that the government has done a U-turn on the app being mandatory on your handsets. This is something clarified by Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia. Let's listen in.
अगर आप इसको अपने फोन पे रखना चाहते हो तो रखो, अगर आप इसको डिलीट करना चाहते हो तो डिलीट करो। जिस तरीके से, उदाहरण के तौर पर आपके फ़ोन पे जब आप फ़ोन खरीदते हो तो उस पर कई ऐप्स आ जाती हैं, जैसे गूगल मैप्स भी आ जाता है। अब आपको गूगल मैप इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है तो आप डिलीट कर लो। अगर आपको संचार साथी इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है तो डिलीट कर दो।
इसका मतलब ये ऑप्शनल है सर।
ऑब्वियसली डिलीट कर सकते हो आप। ये कस्टमर प्रोटेक्शन की बात है और हर भ्रम को मैं तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। आपको डिलीट करना है तो आप डिलीट कर दोगे। आप कोई मैंडेटरी नहीं है। आप अगर रजिस्टर नहीं करना चाहते, मतलब कि उदाहरण के तौर पे इस ऐप का उपयोग नहीं करना चाहते तो रजिस्टर मत करो।
संचार साथी ये जो ऐप है ये आपके मैसेजेस नहीं पढ़ सकती है। संचार साथी कैन नॉट रीड योर मैसेजेस। संचार साथी आपके कॉल नहीं सुन सकती है। संचार साथी कैन नॉट लिसन टू योर कॉल्स, आइदर द कॉल्स दैट यू रिसीव और द कॉल्स दैट यू मेक। संचार साथी आपके निजी डाटा तक, पर्सनल डाटा तक नहीं पहुंच सकती है। संचार साथी कैन नॉट रीच योर पर्सनल डाटा, कैन नॉट ब्रीच योर पर्सनल डाटा। मैसेज नहीं सुन सकती, कॉल नहीं सुन सकती, पर्सनल डाटा ब्रीच नहीं कर सकती है।
ऑपोजिशन कह रही है संचार ऐप को पेगासस 2 बनाया हुआ है।
ऑपोजिशन ये जो इशू ढूंढ करके लाने का आवश्यकता नहीं है। विंटर सेशन पार्लियामेंट में बिजनेस तय किया गया है, बहुत सारा मुद्दे हैं और कई मुद्दे जो अपोजिशन ने भी उठाया है उस पर हम बातचीत करके आगे क्या करना है इसमें विचार करेंगे। नए नए मुद्दे ढूंढ करके पार्लियामेंट को डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए बहाना बनाने का कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। हर मुद्दे अपने जगह में इम्पोर्टेंट है, लेकिन मुद्दे को आप हथियार बना करके पार्लियामेंट को स्टॉल करेंगे, ये तो ठीक नहीं है।
You're calling it a snooping app, so you know what it is then. But you said snooping app, so it is a snooping app. I mean, clearly, it's ridiculous. Now, where else do they want to, I mean, citizens have their right to privacy. Even all of you must be having a right to privacy to send your own messages to family, friends, without the government looking at everything. It's not just one thing. It's not just snooping on the telephones. It's overall. They are turning this country into a dictatorship in every form. You ask me every day why Parliament is not functioning. It's not functioning because they are refusing to talk about anything. So it's very easy to blame the opposition, but the fact is they are not allowing any discussion on anything, and that is not democracy.
Sanchar Sathi, yesterday on night itself, I have reacted. It's an attack on privacy of the common people of this country. Actually, basically, this is an attack on constitutional.
This is Orwellian. This is Big Brother wanting to get into your private life. A smartphone is no longer just a phone to make calls. It is a repository of all your memories, of all your private conversations, of data, of information. The government wants to get into that. This is a complete invasion into your personal and private space. Democracies don't behave like this. Free societies don't behave like this. This is an assault on individual freedom and liberty. I mean, has this government suddenly come up with a tool which is completely, which no other country has come up? The only other country which is using this kind of a tool is Russia. This is like basically installing Pegasus in everybody's phone.
Now, Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge hit out at the government's Sanchar Sathi app, calling it an attempt to strangulate the voice of the people. However, BJP Sambit Patra denied allegations of snooping via the app. The opposition also claiming that this U-turn has happened because of the outrage.
जो दुष्प्रचार के साथी हैं, वो संचार साथी क्या होता है वो समझ नहीं पाएंगे. Those who are champions of misinformation will never understand what is संचार साथी। इसलिए उन दुष्प्रचार के साथियों को हम तथ्य बताएंगे। हमारे तथ्य बताने के बाद भी वो समझ नहीं पाएंगे, मगर जनता जनार्दन तक तथ्य पहुंचाना ये हमारा काम है।